Every order a customer places on net terms becomes an invoice, and this page tracks all of them. This is your account's receivable. Each row is one invoice. The Shopify order it came from, who owes it, when it's due, how much, and where it stands. Due dates are calculated for you. Order date plus the customer's term. The gray rows are canceled. Orders canceled in Shopify, credit already returned. The yellow ones are pending, open, and on time. And here's a detail worth trusting. Add up the pending invoices, $4.99, $4.99, and $7.49.95. $17.47.95. Exactly the owed figure on Jenny's row in the manager. The two pages always agree because owed is simply the sum of open invoices. Every row has a PDF button, the invoice as a fully branded document. An export CSV hands your accountant the whole list in one click. Now watch the automation. We'll hop to the store and buy something on terms. Into the cart, through checkout, select net, 30 terms. No card fields, nothing to type, and complete the order. Approved, net terms active. Back in the log, and there it is at the top. The right order number, the right amount, due 30 days out, status pending. You did nothing. When the customer's payment lands in your account, click Mark Paid, and it flips green. Their available credit frees up instantly, and if they'd been suspended over this balance, they're reinstated automatically the moment it settles. Pending, paid, canceled. Your whole receivables story, one glance.